How to make doodles in Instagram. First, open up the Instagram. So if you want to make a doodles on Instagram, so Instagram just roll out the brand new draw feature. So if you open up the chat of the specific friend, here you will find a little plus option. So simply tap on this one. And now here you will find a little draw option. So this is the freehand drawing tool. Now you can easily make a doodle with the help of this new draw tool. So simply activate the tool, and now you need to simply draw something freehand by using these colors and brushes. So at the top I want to select the brush tip first, and I want to increase a little bit size. Now here I want to draw some doodles. And I want to also draw a doodle here. So as you notice that I have successfully made 2 doodles on Instagram. Now if I tap on send, so here you notice that I have successfully sent the doodle to my Instagram second account. So in this way you can easily make the doodles on Instagram by using this method.